Welcome. Begin by settling into a quiet position. Let your breath move in a slow rise and fall with ease. You don't need to breathe deeply, just steady and just natural. There is a part of you that's tired, not tired from a lack of sleep, tired from carrying a feeling you haven't had space to look at. A quiet ache that sits in the background of your days. It's not loud, not sharp, just present. And today you don't analyze it. You don't even fix it. You simply meet it. So take a gentle breath in and let it slide out. Now imagine a soft light forming around you. A warm glow, steady and calm, almost like a safe room inside your mind. And this is your space. Nothing pushes here. Nothing demands. This is where honesty feels gentle. And in this light, imagine a small presence sitting a few steps in front of you. Not a person and not a memory. Just a shape, a quiet form that holds the feeling you've been carrying. Now it doesn't look threatening. It doesn't even look broken. It looks tired. Like something inside of you waiting to be acknowledged. So let your breath soften. Notice its posture, its mood, and its weight. And not with judgment, simply with awareness, the way you'd notice a friend who seems drained. This presence holds a wound you once moved past too quickly, a moment you never got to process fully. A pressure you felt but pushed down so you could keep going. A sadness you didn't have space to name. And you don't need to know the story behind it. Just feel the tone of it. So take a slow inhale and then release it smooth. Now imagine yourself walking a little closer, not to fix, not to solve, but to sit beside this presence. Feel the way its energy shifts when you join it. There's no fear, only a quiet recognition, as if it is weighted for this level of gentleness. And you can ask it one simple question. not out loud, just inside. What do you need right now? Don't force an answer. Let the response rise on its own, in a word or a sensation, a memory or even silence. Sometimes the answer is simply, please slow down with me. Sometimes it's, please see that I'm still here. Sometimes it's just a soft tug in the chest. And whatever you feel is enough. So let your breath move easily now. So imagine placing your hand, your emotional hand, onto the presence in front of you. A steady touch, warm, rounded, and of course supported. And as you do, feel the presence soften, its edges loosen, its shape relaxes. You're not taking away its pain, you're giving it permission to unwind. This is shadow work in its simplest form. Not digging, not forcing, not unraveling, just allowing the hidden part of you to rest. So take a slow inhale and let it fall out. And now imagine this presence beginning to rise, not to disappear, but to return to your chest, right behind your breath. Only this time, it carries less weight. It feels lighter, warmer, like the tightness around it has loosened. So let it merge with you in a smooth, gentle way. No pressure, no heaviness, just integration. This is what healing feels like at the start. Subtle, soft, and safe. So breathe in again and let it drift out slowly. And now imagine your chest glowing with the same warm light from before. Steady, calm, and spacious. The wound isn't gone, but it's no longer isolated. It's no longer sitting in the dark. You've seen it. You've even sat with it. You've given it room to breathe. And that alone begins the shift. So let the glow spread through your ribs, your shoulders, your throat, your belly, your back. A gentle expansion. So take one last slow breath and release it with ease. Good work today, and namaste.